In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build AI agents with Claude. We'll walk through creating a simple but powerful prompt generation agent inside Claude, using the projects area to keep everything organized. Start by opening Claude and heading to Projects in the left panel. Projects are where you define reusable agents with shared settings, so this will keep your setup clean and easy to manage as you build more over time. Next, click New Project. Give your agent a clear, action-oriented purpose. In the name field, type something like Prompt Generator. Short, descriptive names help you find and reuse agents quickly, especially when you're collaborating or juggling multiple workflows. In the description box, add a concise summary of what this agent does. For example, this agent creates ready-to-use prompts from any topic the user gives. Just type a topic, and it will return a clear, specific prompt for that request. This tells teammates, and your future self, exactly why the agent exists and how to use it at a glance. Click Create Project to save. This opens your project workspace, where you'll set the agent's behavior. Now go to the Instructions section. This is the brain of your agent. Anything you put here becomes its consistent operating guide. Paste instructions that clearly define the job. For this prompt generator, use guidance like, when the user gives a topic, idea, or short request, turn it into a clear, specific, and ready-to-use prompt. Always make the output easy to copy and directly usable. Focus on what the user wants to create, explain, design, or write. Keep the prompt concise but detailed enough to guide a strong response. Do not give extra explanation unless the user asks for it. If the user's input is very short or broad, make a reasonable prompt based on the topic. Always output the result as a prompt, not as commentary about the prompt. Clear, imperative language like this removes ambiguity and makes your agent reliable. Let's test it. Open the project chat and type any topic. Something simple like email onboarding sequence, urban garden layout, or customer interview questions. The idea is to enter a short topic, just like your end users would. Click Submit. The agent should return a clean, copy-ready prompt without extra commentary. If it's too broad or too verbose, refine the wording in your instructions, rather than tweaking individual prompts. The instructions are your single source of truth for consistent behavior. That's it. You've created a reusable prompt generator agent in Claude that turns any topic into a strong, ready-to-use prompt. You can duplicate this approach to build specialized agents for writing, design briefs, research queries, or workflows tailored to your team.